sandaling parang hindi mo na alam kung saan ka pupunta. Tila naliligaw na akong magsisilbing mabati. Tuturo ko sa'yo ang liwanag kahit na tila nauubusan na ng sagot ang lahat. Asahan mong mayroon pa ring nakabang na bukas. Magliliwanag din ang kalangitan, mapapatila rin ang ulan. Pagsikat ng araw, muli mong matatanaw ang kislap ng pag-asa. May bagong simula. Sa sandaling ang bukang liwayway mo'y lumalabo na, tila di nakikita. Ako ang antipara mo't hindi ko hayaang mawala iyong pag-asa. At kahit na tila nauubusan na ng sagot ang lahat, asahan mong mayroon pa ring nakabang na bukas. Magliliwanag din ang kalangitan, mapapatila rin ang ulan. Pagsikat ng araw, muli mong matatanaw ang kislap ng pag-asa. May bagong simula. May bagong simula. At kahit na tila nauubusan na ng sagot ang lahat, asahan mong mayroon pa ring nakabang na bukas. Magliliwanag din ang kalangitan, mapapatila rin ang ulan. Pagsikat ng araw, muli mong matatanaw ang kislap ng pag-asa. May bagong simula. May bagong simula.
Good morning, 201! I am Bernadette Jerusalem, your Tangkay Uno Big Brother host. Before we take a good look of what's happening inside the house, let us get to know more about the housemates.
Hi, I'm Daniel Adrian Vicente, 18 years old, the outgoing bookworm of USA.
Hi, I'm Sean Samiliano, 18 years old, ang bigala ng Tagalog ng Taguig City.
Hi, I'm Jem Makatuno, 21 years old, a former PBB housemate and now a guest housemate. At ako ang Fantacoustic Kabalen ng Pampanga.
Alright, now that we know them, let's now go inside the house and take a look of their weekly task. For this week's task, the housemates were asked to criticize the work of their co-housemate, Mr. Jem Makatuno.
Housemates, you're all aware that Jem, your co-housemate, is a singer and a composer. To secure your slot at my house this week, you will be assigned to criticize his song, Bagong Simula, using these 3 interpretations.
For everyone's information, Bagong Simula premiered on January 6, 2021. It is the eviction song of the latest version of Pinoy Big Brother. It was written, composed, and sung by Jem Makatuno. Now, let the weekly task begin with the author himself using the Histobay approach of the author-dependent interpretation.
Right, since I'm the writer, I think it's only proper that I'm the one to explain the author-dependent interpretation with a Histobay approach for my own song. For the history, this song was released on January 6, 2021, during which the world wasn't at its best state. COVID-19 infected patients and death tolls kept rising in number, the economy kept drastically decreasing, people were losing livelihoods, and even the country's biggest network shut down. And all of those negative things are hinted at the lyrics of the song, as you can see. For my biography, I originally came from a pretty well-off family, a big one, but things changed when my father lost his job as a provincial engineer, which resulted in my family and I facing financial hardships. But wanting to help my family and wanting to showcase my talents to the world, I started joining TV shows. I joined 2 in particular. However, I lost both of them. But that didn't stop me. And now, as you can see, my talents have been recognized by so many. So, just like my experiences, the hardships and the dark times that we're facing as a country right now are a lot, but new opportunities will arrive soon enough. And combining all of these, I've come to the conclusion that there will be challenges in life, and we will strive for greatness amidst those struggles. Life can be dark at times, but there will come a time when a ray of hope will shine through and offer us a new beginning.
Let us now move on to our next housemate, Sean, who will be using the formalism and structuralism approach of the text-dependent interpretation.
For the explication under the formalism approach, the song has 6 stanzas. It also follows a structure that most songs have, which is a verse and a chorus. Then it repeats until the song ends. It also has a first-person point of view, and the rhyme scheme is a free verse, meaning there's no particular pattern like papunta and na and kalangitan and ulan. The important thing is that it rhymes closely. The song's main theme is about hard times, hopelessness, and new beginnings. For the exegesis under the formalism approach, the first verse implies that during someone's darkest hours or hard times, there will always be someone to assist and guide them to hope and a new beginning. In the chorus, it implies a new beginning that will always show up after our darkest hours, which brings us hope and fresh prospects. And the second verse is where the speaker assures the listener that when they are down, the speaker will make sure that they rise up and never lose hope. This led me to the conclusion that the darkest times in our lives are inevitable, but as long as there is hope, as well as someone out there to help and guide us, a new beginning will always arrive and shine at the right time. On the other hand, using the structuralism approach, I will be using a sign, signifier, and what it signified. So here are the signs. First is Bagong Simula, which means a new beginning, but signifies hope in the song. Mapa, which is a representation of a place but signifies as a guide. Bukas, which is the day after today, it signifies a new beginning. Kalangitan, which means the heavens, it signifies our life. Ulan, which means the rain, but it signifies problems. Bukang liwayway, which is the sunrise, and it signifies hope. And lastly, the antipara, which is an eyeglass but also signifies as a guide. Combining all of these, I've synthesized that through guidance and faith, we possess the lamp that illuminates our path towards the direction of a better life.
And for the last interpretation, Dan will be using the reader response approach of the reader-dependent interpretation.
Now, Bagong Simula is a song about hope and new beginnings. The lyrics deeply mentions that the speaker will always be there guiding the people, so they will not falter. As we start from scratch, we often wonder what is the direction of our life? Where are we heading? Specifically. So that is why everyone yearns for guidance as we traverse the path we have taken or chosen. Now, the song emphasizes that people should never lose hope during their darkest times, for there will always be a light signifying the start of something new. The lyrics said so, it is never late to start anew, for there will always be a new tomorrow waiting for us. Like the rain, we expect it to stop moments after, where the sun will shine upon us and grant us a chance to move on with our lives. With that, I would also like to insert a quote that we have made. Now, tomorrow is the gift not given to everyone. Given how fortunate we are to wake up every day, we must accept it wholeheartedly and look forward to it. Simply put, we are all blessed with the gift of life. Life is full of meaning, of purpose. What we are seeing today doesn't define our whole life. Life becomes more and more precious as we overcome our challenges and as we grow with hope and grace. To end this interpretation, I have concluded that the future will cast both light and shadow upon our life. It is up to all of us to prepare and face what lies ahead.
Very impressive, housemates! Now that we're done with the 3 interpretations, I am very curious about your grand synthesis. Can you tell me more about it?
After the weekly task, I realized that amidst the darkness that comes with life, keeping the light of hope aflame inside of us will eventually guide us and illuminate our path towards new beginning.
I agree with you, Dan. Gem's song was truly relatable, that we didn't even have a hard time coming up with a grand synthesis.
Aw, thank you guys. This means a lot to me. Anyway, we combined the 4 syntheses to form this remarkable grand synthesis.
The journey of life comes with hardship and difficulties.
Facing the challenges of life gives one the sense of courage, strengthening the heart and mind, thus keeping hope alive.
With hope, we continue to look forward to the new beginnings and believe in what the future has in store for us. I'm very glad of our output. I hope Kuya will pass all of us.
Yes, we've worked hard as housemates. I think we deserve this.
However, you are all going to leave my house tonight.
What? But why?
Well, it's not because you did not do well. The 3 of you will be leaving tonight because... Congratulations! The 3 of you are my 3 big winners.